Hey, it's Brian, week number, I don't know, 3. And I wanted to give you kind of an update on what I learned during my third week of my Achilles tendon repair and recovery. Um, this was this was a kind of an interesting week because I went back to the doctor to have them remove my first hard cast, and then they move your foot. And I was really nervous about it because right now, my foot in the beginning was pointed like a ballerina, and then over the course of the first 4 weeks, they move it up, and then they cast it, and then they move it up, and then they cast it, and then they move it up, so that you can stand, but they can't move it all at once because you could tear the repair. So this was the first week where they actually moved my foot, and I was nervous that it would hurt. But I'm happy to tell you that it didn't hurt. It just felt like they were moving something that was a little stiff, and like they were stretching it, but it didn't hurt, and that's good. It didn't hurt. Didn't hurt little Mike either. He was tough. He's small, but he's tough. So the doctor said that it could actually take longer than 4 weeks of being in a hard cast. He said it just depends on how you're doing. Everybody moves at their own pace. So he said it could be 4 weeks, could be 5 weeks, could be 6 weeks of the hard cast. And then after that, then we move on to the boot. But I am noticing feelings of like feeling claustrophobic because of the cast. Like I want it off and I can't get it off, and it's kind of messes with your psyche. Still taking the baby aspirin every day because that's supposed to prevent blood clotting, which is important. I'm no longer taking pain meds at all, really. I only took them in the beginning for the first few days, and then I was just taking a leave for maybe the last couple weeks, but lately I really haven't had the need for it. Here's a bummer. I was using a knee scooter and the wheel busted. So while I was waiting for Amazon to bring me a new wheel, I had to use crutches for like 2.5 days. And let me just tell you, if you're on crutches, get the knee scooter because it's a ton better. And I think that's it. That's everything that I learned in week 3. Go ahead and post any questions or comments if you have any, and I hope you're doing really well. And if you're going through an Achilles repair, be patient.